What is a project? Project, as per PMI, is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or a result. Now, before we understand this definition in more detail, let's understand the objectives behind these projects. As a project manager, it is important for you to know why organization invest is critical resources, which could be people, which could be money, and any other infrastructure resource in these projects. Let's take an example. Your local government is having a traffic problem in your city. Now, they want to solve this traffic problem and they want to reduce the traffic by more than 80%. And for that, they want to build a metro railway in your city. Now, metro railway is a deliverable from a project, and the objective when the metro railway will be operational, it should reduce 80% of the traffic problem. Now, in this definition of a project, there is two keywords you need to focus on. The first one is a temporary endeavor. Temporary does not mean that maybe a project should be of 2 months, 6 months, or 1 year. A project can last for more than 3 years, 5 years, and so on. PMI is using this temporary word for a definite start and an end date of a project. That means every project should have a definite start date and an end date defined in the project charter, in the project management plan, and so on. So temporary, I hope you understood what does temporary project means or temporary endeavor means. That means every project will have a start and an end date to it. Now the second keyword is unique deliverables. You know the deliverables is a product, service, or a result. Now consider metro railway is a service. So metro railway service is a deliverable from a project. Unique basically means every project has different constraints. This metro railway have different vendors, different cost, different start and end date, different stakeholder, different risk, and these constraints make the project a unique deliverables. Unique does not mean that metro railway has never been considered or you are creating a first time metro railway. There could be a metro railway already in other part of your country, but this new metro railway service is again a unique deliverable because of these constraints we spoke about. Of course, if you already have similar project done in the past, they will help you better results of your projects. I hope, friends, you have understood the concept of project and the objectives of the project's initiation. If you have any question, do write to us at support@addonskills.com. You can also visit www.addonskills.com for our project management training courses. Thank you very much and have a great day ahead.